Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, many of you have got the selection mail or the offer letter from companies like Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, Wipro. And now every company nowadays need NSR. So how you have to apply for the NSR? What exactly is NSR? So each and every detail you will be able to find in this video. Also, I will tell you what you have to do if you do not have passport. What if you do not have PAN card? What if you do not have UAN number? So how you will be able to apply on Infosys Launchpad or whatever platform from the other companies. Okay, so see, these are the queries which we are getting continuously, and that is the reason I thought of making a video where I will tell you how you will be able to apply for the NSR. Okay, and as a new user, how you have to register. So NSR is basically, so once you apply for NSR, then you also need to pay a certain amount. You can see here 472 rupees, and then you will be getting a online NSR card. Okay, so this is e-NSR card, you can say, where your photo will be mentioned. Okay, your photo will be there, and then your name will be there. So here you can find your name, and here your IT pin will be there. Okay, so this is nothing but your NSR card. You can see NSR, credible data and credible people. This is by National Skill Registry, and there definitely this is a unit of NASCOM. So this will certify that you are a trustworthy employee. So basically this is done for the security purpose. Okay, now, so friends, as I mentioned, please watch the video till the end, because I will tell you each and everything. So how you can register, what will be the payment process, in how many days you will be getting the NSR card, how you will be able to apply. Okay, but before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, so on much demand, because a student wanted, okay, so they wanted some kind of a scholarship test, and that is the reason we have definitely brought a scholarship test here, and which is starting today, that means 13th of Feb at 10 a.m. and end date is 15th of Feb 10 p.m. Now, so what is the advantage of this scholarship test? Why you should give? So friends, many of you are really worried about your career. So what are the trending technology? If you are not very good at coding, then what you should do? So mainly non-IT people, those who are not good at coding, but they wanted to have a bright career, so then you can go for digital marketing. So digital marketing is one of the trending technology. Okay, now, but how will you learn digital marketing? Okay, so for that, friends, what you have to do is you need to write a scholarship test. Okay, so this scholarship test, okay, you will be getting a scholarship up to 100%. Okay, the link will be given in description, so you can click on this link and then you can start your test. Okay, so from today till 15th of Feb till 10 p.m. Okay, and 13th Feb 10 a.m. already test has started. So you will be, if you are lucky, top lucky rankers, then you will be able to get a scholarship up to 100%. Okay, and suppose if you are not top lucky rankers, then also you will be able to get the discount. And as I said, so digital marketing is one of the trending technology now. So sir, you told us about digital marketing, and if you do not have much coding knowledge, but what all things we need to learn in digital marketing, how digital marketing will help us in our career growth? Okay, so digital marketing career program. Now, so friends, what basically you will be able to get in digital marketing career program? So once you give the scholarship test, and if you get a scholarship of 100%, then these courses will be freely available to you. And if you get less percentage, then you need to pay some amount, and then also you will be getting the discount. Okay, so the again, the link of this digital marketing career program, you can find it in the description. Okay, now, so friends, 110 plus videos lessons, 90 plus hours of live session, 55 plus live sessions, 2 month internship. Friends, so your resume will become very, very interesting, and your resume will never get rejected if you have profiles like, if you have completed 2 months of internship and you have certificate, right? And the main thing, 15 projects to build. So any, friends, any course I'm telling you, if the projects are there, if the live projects are there, then it is awesome. Okay, so that is definitely give you your resume will get a lot of importance if you're applying somewhere. 24 plus modules, lifetime access and supports. Okay, future job profiles you get. So digital marketing manager, so if you go through the courses, now what all posts you can get: digital marketing manager, SEM manager, SEO specialist, social media and content manager, associate consultant, business analyst, and many more. I will tell you one simple example. Nowadays, friends, if you wanted if if you wanted to upload one YouTube videos, then you should know what is SEO, what all tags you have to use. So you need to have a knowledge of digital marketing. So nowadays digital marketer are much in demand, because this YouTube channels, many the bigger YouTube channels are directly hiring, okay, this digital marketer. So, and if you are going through these courses where you have the live projects and all those things, then you will be your demand will be very much high. Okay, skills you will gain. So SEO and SEM, social media and content marketing, basic design skill and storytelling, marketing data and analytics, master marketing tools. Okay, and friends, see the as I mentioned, so for everything you need to have live projects. Any course you do, if there is no projects, you should not do that course. But here you can see, so master on digital marketing, you have the live projects big time. So SEL live project, SCM live project, email marketing live project, social media marketing live project, and capstone live project. Even I will be also writing this test, and if I clear this test, then definitely if I get some scholarship, and I will try to get 100%. If not, so whatever scholarship test the scholarship I get, I will definitely start with these courses, because I also need to learn about this SEO and all. And because right now I'm trying to hire, and if I do the courses, then I can do better for myself, and definitely I know my demand will be more. Okay, then features. So project led curriculum, mentorship and doubt support. Wow, so this is very, very good. So 1-to-1 doubt support and 24/7 supports will be there. 2 months internship and earn internship certificate, so you do not have to do an internship anywhere else. Interview and training session from the industry expert, and assistant in building portfolio, resume, GitHub, etc. So all from scratch, from basic till the advanced level support you are getting. And what are tools you will be using? So latest tools and technologies. The program will cover the following set of tools. Okay, MailChimp, Google Ads, WordPress, Google Analytics, okay, Facebook Business Manager, and Hootsuite, right? So all those things, friends, definitely you are going to use. And so once you get the scholarship test through our link, okay, and if you want to enroll in digital marketing career program, then you will be able to get 50 plus 20% discount. You need to use our code online 20, and this code will be also given in the description. So be job ready with Skill Academy. Okay, now so extra 20% discount, friends, you are going to get if you are using online 20. So write this scholarship test, and the result will be announced for the scholarship test. The result will be announced in our next videos. So we will definitely print the name of the student, those who are doing well in the scholarship test. At least you will come to know how much do you know. Okay, now so friends, let us come back to definitely how you are going to apply for this NSR part. So click on register now. So once you click on register now, then you can see there will be one page which will open like this. So database management limited, NSDL, NASCOM National Skill Registry. Okay, so welcome to registration module for National Skill Registry, NSR. So you do not have to go to cyber cafe, you do not have to go anywhere, you do not have to take help of anyone. You by yourself will be able to complete it. Okay, now so you can create only one NSR profile for you. Any subsequent profile is created by you, so you can go through this. So do not create two NSR profile. Okay, do not do this mistake. Okay, and please ensure that you enter the correct and accurate information. Information once verified cannot be edited or deleted. Okay, now so create your profile on NSR website. Mobile number or email ID is mandatory and needs to be verified. PAN is mandatory. If the passport number, if we have, then okay, otherwise no problem. Details of past and present employment, if any. Okay, now so let us come here and see terms and condition. So I agree and click on submit. Okay, now so once you click on submit, then you have to fill all the details. My present employer, my future employer. Okay, so definitely you are not you do not have any kind of present employer, so my future employer. And here you can fill. So if it is Infosys, then you can search for Infosys INF. Okay, so here you can search Infosys Limited or Infosys BPM Limited. So yours is Infosys Limited, so you will have to fill Infosys Limited. Okay, and then definitely here, so offer ID or job ID you need to fill. And then personal information like your name, last name, previous name, mother name, father name. If you are married, then your spouse name, your nationality. Okay, so these details you have to fill. Then you have to fill your present address and immediate previous address. So if if it is same, previous and present address is same, then you can select the options from here. Then permanent address, other personal information like telephone, email ID. Okay, and then password information. Once you do all these things, then the next page definitely there will be a payment page should be there. And once you do the payment, you can see here, so you will be getting a mail like this. So from NSDL help desk, so acknowledgement number, NSR registration payment order number, thank you for your recent payment that you made on so this is one done on 2nd of January for the amount of rupees 472. This is a confirmation that amount has been successfully received. Soon you will receive your IT pin on email and SMS. Okay, regards. So NSR team. Now, friends, so once you apply for NSR, then within 1 week of time, okay, so within 1 week of time, you will be getting your IT pin, which is very, very important. Okay, we will receive your IT pin. So this is what I said. So this will be NSR card will be there. So like this, you will be receiving it where IT pin will be there, your name will be there, and your photo will be there. Okay, then friends, and here also you can see, so you'll be getting a similar mail. Thanks for registering your details on NASSCOM, National Skill Registry NSR. This is a key initiative by NASSCOM and its members, ITS companies, to enhance the security standards for the employees, industry and its clients, and facilitate issuance and use of permanent identity and reference information about registered members. To read more about NSR, please. Okay, so anyway, if I'm simply reading, it's kind of I'm wasting your time. So friends, see, many of you do not know about NSR. That is the only problem, but it's not a big deal. Also, consider subscribing our YouTube channel if you have not done it. We are providing a lot of good and important information to you. Okay, and Instagram. So all small information I'm passing to you. So please make sure that you have all this information. Okay, now, so friends, now here are the some questions which has been asked from you. So what if you do not have passport? So friends, if you do not have passport, do not have to worry. Okay, see, in the launch pad they're asking, okay, if you have any kind, if you have the valid the passport or not. So you just select that you do not have a valid passport. Also, you might have seen here, so here they're asking passport number. Okay, it is not mandatory field, passport number. So if you have, you fill. If you do not have, do not fill. See, this PAN is mandatory, right? So you can see PAN is mandatory, a star is there, so you can fill PAN. But if the passport is not there, because many of us will not have passport, and passport will take time. So if you want to get the passport done, then it will take time. So in the launch pad, what you can do is, see, you can apply. Okay, so you can apply for PAN card, and maybe if you are very much interested, you can upload the slip of your passport. So you can apply for the passport, and then you can definitely put the passport. And PAN card, definitely you have to get it done. So online also PAN card, you will be easily able to get it, at least e-PAN card. See, there will be one PAN card which will come to your home, that will take 1.5 months. But this e-PAN card, you can get it immediately. Okay, and I think in some days you will be able to get it e-PAN card. So this will be online. So online you will be getting the PAN card. But when you apply, so you can just check it out. If you're getting the PAN number, then you can enter the PAN number. And the same thing, whatever you apply here, you can put in the launch pad. And what if you do not have any UN number? So friends, UN number will be used for your PF. Okay, so definitely if you have not joined any company, then you will not have any UN number. So that you do not have to worry. So once you get inside the company, then you can look for this. The company itself will help you to open the PF account, and along with that, your UN number will be created. Okay, so nothing to worry. So just a simple method is there to create NSR, to apply for NSR. But if you do not know, if you do not have the information, definitely you will struggle. Okay, so if any kind of doubt is there, please put in the comment box. I'm trying to help you in all possible ways. Thank you and all the best for your joining. Keep rocking.